The retreat that I will be doing on 27 and 28 po are life-changing talaga. And it's very, very important mga anak for 2024. Diba sabi ko po after the solar eclipse, medyo marami ng gulo. Importanteng alam nyo kung paano nyo i-protect yung sarili nyo from outside forces. There is a good saying about this and this is the motto or the vision of the retreat. You strengthen your spirituality inside. Kasi tandaan nyo po, an egg, if it's broken from inside force, creates life. Pero po, if outside forces destroys us, it kills us. It breaks life. We are considering our spirituality like that egg, no? That we have to break through from inside so that we start a better, a new life, or a more meaningful life rather than ayaan natin na mas malakas yung outside forces na hindi nyo yan kakayanin, and that breaks every possible opportunities po ninyo. That's why that retreat on 27 and 28, yun po yung i-correct natin.